Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasyTalks. I'm Beck.
And I'm Joe. And today we're entering a very risky, dangerous zone.
A war?
Worse, a place where people forget their name, age, and whole identity.
Ah, yes. Self-introduction.
The moment when your brain says, "Hello, who are you again?"
But don't worry, after today's video, you will introduce yourself cleared, confidently, and like a normal human.
Not like me. Last week I introduced myself to a mirror.
First, please don't say, myself, Rohan.
No, stop. English is crying.
Just say, my name is Rohan. I'm Rohan.
Clean, simple, beautiful.
Second mistake, giving your whole life story.
I was born in 2002 at 7:35 a.m. and the doctor sneezed.
Stop! People only need 4 lines. Here is the magic formula. Line 1, name. I'm Rohan. Line 2, city. I'm from Delhi. Line 3, work or study. I'm a student. Or, I'm a software engineer. Line 4, hobby/personality. I love playing cricket. I enjoy reading. I like traveling.
Done. 4 lines equals perfect intro.
You don't need big vocabulary, just clear and natural English.
1. Job interview. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. I'm Beck. I'm from Bangalore. I teach English. I enjoy movies.
Professional, smooth, no drama.
2. Hi, I'm Neha. I'm from Chennai. I'm studying BCom. I love dancing.
Short and friendly, not an autobiography.
3. Hey, I'm Aman. I'm from Kolkata. I'm a designer. I enjoy gaming.
Perfect for college, events, trips, anywhere.
Okay, Beck. Introduction challenge time. I'll give the situation. You introduce yourself.
Let's do it.
Go. Hi. I'm your biggest fan?
Confidence gone, evaporated like hot chai.
Beck normal. Hi, I'm Beck. I'm from Bangalore. I teach English. I love movies.
See? Perfect when no crush is watching.
Tip 1. Smile. A normal smile, not a villain smile.
Tip 2. Speak slowly. You're not a train announcer.
Tip 3. Keep your shoulders relaxed.
Tip 4. Use simple sentences.
Tip 5. Practice your intro daily for 1 minute.
1 minute, less than the time you spend scrolling reels.
Here's an intro you can copy. Hi, I'm name. I'm from city. I'm a student or job. I enjoy hobby.
Perfect. Natural, universal.
Now it's your turn. Write your introduction in the comments.
If this video helped you, click like.
And subscribe to EasyTalk for more fun English lessons.
And if you want Joe to finally remember his own introduction,
You already know.
both hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching.
Have a confident conversation.
Bye-bye.